We believe that genuine human care is life's greatest luxury. Motivated by a love of place, Phulay Bay is designed to capture the indigenous essence of the locale. To us, home is a feeling, a personal connection that can be made even in the most foreign places. Here, we create a lasting impression with a local ritual that prompts guests to reflect upon their time with us. Sala Srichan is Phulay Bay's welcome pavilion. Sala means pavilion, and Srichan is named after the owner's mother. Sala Srichan is built with holy trees that will age more than 100 years old. The pavilion is built following the Feng Shui philosophy by adopting the 4 elements: wind, earth, water, and fire. The gong will be played 3 times upon the guest's arrival. What is gong? The gong traces its roots back to the Bronze Age around 3500 BC. Back in the day, gong is used to announce when the emperor or other important political and religious figures arrive. This is the ritual that Phulay Bay adopts to gather the attention of our ladies and gentlemen to prepare for our guests' arrival. Following the Feng Shui philosophy, the Sala Srichan welcoming pool brings a sense of movement and flow. In order to adhere the good luck circle, guests are escorted to follow the steps on the left to enter and on the right to leave. All our guests are welcomed by our general manager personally at Sala Srichan. We are set apart by human connection. We handcraft experiences that enable guests to make this magical corner of the world their own.